Ka Environment Committee jong ka yeng dorbar ka Jylla kala Byrngem ban khang no ik skul JNV Mawphlang lada kamla ban pynbha ban pynbiang ya ka jaka bret ne pynkhuid jaboh ka treatment plan jong ka ne ka skul ban lait na ka jingtuid ya jaboh shaka dam Mawphlang dkhot ka committee uba HM Shangpliang hadien ba ulo jurip ya ka te ka skul bat ka jaka bret nyut ne pynkhuid jaboh ulong ba ka jingbym biang ka jaka pynkhuid jaboh ka ne ka skul ka badon saus pa ngut ki khynnah kala long ka jingma ki paidah nongbam ka sor Shillong namar ba ki jaboh ki latuid lut shaka dam Mawphlang ulong ru balada ka bor badai page ka skul kam shim khya ban pynbiang ki jaka bret jaboh on sa khang shwai ka te ka skul hadu banda pynbiang ka ulai thu bala khot hajeri ki bor badai page.
This is a very conventional way of treating water. We could see alum and lime being mixed together and being rotated into that clarifier, and these are all very conventional method. Now to the question of the sludge, which I'm very disturbed to see the sludge being let out to the stream. This is a total environmental hazard which is being caused to the pristine, clear stream water that is flowing from the hills. Now, due to this, villages like Lingyong and Linkien and Soyong and all those, that's why all the marine life are being destroyed there. So it's time that the government come up seriously, because when the PHE department had already submitted twice their proposal of setting up a treatment of the sludge water, meaning this sludge water would have been again reused instead of letting out in the stream. By that proposal, it would have gone, and it would have cost 15 crores for the government to spend, and then they refused to sanction from the planning department twice, not really understanding the gravity of the situation. This is where it is very disturbing. Why? Because the government should have understood the need. The planning department should have come to the rescue of the PHE department to treat this sludge water so that this water is not let into the stream. And we are very disturbed today as a committee. We are going to take up this very seriously. Tomorrow is a whole day session where we have called various departments in for a lot of reviews, and we are going to take up this matter very seriously tomorrow.